We discuss about combination of capacitors. There are two types of combinations. There are two types of combination. Number one, series. So number of capacitors are said to be in series combination if charge is same for all and potentially different depending upon their capacity. Suppose C1, C2, Cn, the number of capacitors are connected in series to a source of potential difference V. So since this is positive plate, this side is raised to some positive charge Q plus Q. So the other end is charge 2 minus Q. The intermediate plates have net charge 0. Thereby, here there is induction of minus Q plus Q, so that the two charge plates have net charge 0 and it is minus Q, and alternately like this. See, capacity is different C1, C2, Cn, but charge is same. So potentials to which they are raised is different depending upon their capacity. Now, as there is no electric field outside the plates, so there is no effect of the connecting wires, and potential difference across AB is the sum of potentials V1, potential difference V1 plus V2 dot dot Vn. Consider a number of capacitors with capacitance C1, C2, Cn are connected in series with a source of potential difference V. The extreme left plate is charged to plus Q, say. So the extreme right, that is for Cn, is charged as negative or charged as minus Q. The intermediate plates have net charge 0. So there is induction of charges. So there is induction of charges. Such that each capacitor gains charge Q plus minus Q, gains charge plus minus Q. as there is no electric field, outside the capacitors, so the connecting wires are not affected, the potentials to which the capacitors are charged, the potential to which the capacitors are raised depend upon C, or depend upon the capacities. Again, VAB, the potential due to the source is V1 plus V2 plus Vn. Now we can write C1 is equal to Q by V1 or V1 is equal to Q by C1, V2 is equal to Q by C2, and Vn is equal to Q by Cn. Again, if C is the effective capacity of the combination, suppose there is one capacitor, we do not have so many capacitors. If C, the effective capacity of the combination, then C is equal to Q by V, or V is equal to Q by C. Now substituting the values, we can say that since V is equal to V1 plus V2 or Q by C1, Q by C2, Q by Cn. Hence, 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2, or 1 by C is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by. So in series combination, effective capacity is reduced. So if the given capacitors are having higher values, we require a lower value, then we have to add them or apply them in the form of series combination. Thus, effective capacity is reduced in series combination. Second is the parallel combination. So combination is said to be parallel, where potential is same for all, but charges are divided. 。  . 。  . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . 」 . suppose C1, C2, Cn, the capacity of the number of capacitors connected to a source of potential difference V. So here the potential difference for all the capacitors are same. So if there is some charge Q due to the source, sudden charge Q is supplied due to the source. Now this charge is divided according to their capacities. If this is plus Q1, this is plus Q2 and this is plus Qn, so other will be minus Q1, minus Q2, minus Qn. Let C1, C2, Cn, the capacitors connected in parallel with a source of potential difference V. So here V is same for all. And charge is divided. If Q is the charge due to source, if Q is the charge due to source and Q1, Q2, Qn, the charge to which they are raised, the charges to which the capacitors are raised, then Q is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Qn. So now we can find out Q1 is equal to C1V, Q2 is equal to C2V, Qn is equal to Cnv. If C is the effective capacity of the combination, if C is the effective capacity of the combination, then Q is equal to Cv. Now substituting the values, Cv is equal to C1V, C2V plus Cnv, or C is equal to C1 plus C2 plus Cn. Thus capacity is increased in parallel combination. So as per requirement, out of the available capacitors, we can choose as whether it is to be parallel or series combination. So in parallel combination, effective capacity is increased. Effective capacity is increased